In this video, I want to show you how to fix the issue in case your LG TV restarts by itself. So it turns off, turns on randomly without you pressing anything. And obviously this is not great. So how do you fix this? I'll show you a few different tricks. So trick number one is to simply, disconnect your LG TV from the wall outlet. Even if the screen is turned on the way you see it right now, go ahead, this is my LG TV right here, and disconnect it from the power. Leave it like this. And now you're going to find the power button that is located under your TV. It may be over here on the right side, in the middle, or on the left. On this 32-inch LG TV, it's located over here. I want you to press that power button during 30 seconds. Even if the TV is unplugged, this will simply drain all the remaining energy. So it will be a fresh restart. It's not a reset. Nothing will get lost. It's simply a restart. After 30 seconds, release the button. Before connecting it back to the power, I suggest you go on the back of your LG TV, and if you have any HDMI cable connected, any devices connected in the back, disconnect absolutely everything. Sometimes these devices are causing this issue, and we want to make sure that this is not the problem. So disconnect every devices on the back of your LG TV, and after doing this, you can go ahead and connect back your TV to the power. Once you connect the TV, it should power on by itself. If it's not powering on, use the button under it or your remote control to power it on and test it out. Most of the time, this simple trick will be able to solve your issue and the TV will not turn off and on by itself. If it fixed your issue, connect each HDMI cable that were in the back one by one until you see that the problem comes again, and then you will be able to clearly notice which one of these were causing the issue. Now, trick number two, if this didn't work, is to install any software update that may be pending on your LG TV. And how do you do this? Well, take the remote control and press the settings button, this one over here. Over here, you need to go down and select all settings, then go down and select support. And the first option will be software update. Click on it. And over here, if you have an update pending, you're going to see it appearing. And all you have to do is to click on download and install to make this work. So try this out. And fortunately, after doing this, the update will fix the problem. The last option is to do a factory reset. Your TV will be like a brand new one. And again, fortunately, this will remove your issue. So how do you do this? Well, instead of going in support, you're going to go up in general. And then you're going to go down this list until you get to, let me go down, over here, system. And then down to reset to initial settings. You'll have to enter the password of the TV, and after you do this, you'll be able to reset it. This is a last attempt to fix the issue. It will delete again all your apps, all your personal accounts, but at the end, you will not have the problem. If one of these tricks worked for you, please leave a comment down below. I want to know which one worked. And leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.